Hello, in today's video we're going to go through how to update a calendar in Google Calendar. So if you look here, there's information in here already. This is an embedment that was placed in to Wix. Alright. So for us to do so, we're going to go in Google, we're going to go to calendar. Right? Monthly, I get an email stipulating the calendar outline for the month. Now, some of the items are repetitive, some of them are not. So in each one, there's a constant item that needs to be in it. So for example, today is the 7th. We're getting this notification late. So from 9 to 9:50, the downstate presentation. You're gonna hit more options, and it's from 9 to 9:50. 9:50 a.m. time. Alright. Now, if this was an item that repeated, I would select repeat, and then I can do weekly, daily, or I can do custom. So let's say it repeats every Monday and Wednesdays, right? And I can set that it ends never, or I can say that it ends after a certain amount of occurrences, or I can say that it ends at the end of the month. Because this is a fiscal year, if it was a concurrent, I would leave it to repeat up until June 30th, which is a fiscal year. If it was a calendar year, I'll do it in December. If it's a school year or governmental year, I would do it up to September 30th. In this case, it's a one-time thing, so I can cancel. And there's no description provided. In certain cases, you're elected to come up with a description, or it asks me to give you a narrative, but in this case, there isn't one. But what I want is to have Zoom ID on every calendar, because if somebody's going to share it, they may not send them to this page, but they may just send them the calendar invite. So I'm just going to highlight this. I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to go to calendar, and I'm going to paste. Right? Default visibility is public. I preset it to public. I can show that in another video. I'm going to open this. It's free. Calendar is Fort Greene Capital Virtual Center. Now I'm going to hit save. Very important. Now I'm going to hit save. If I go over here and I hit refresh, now we see downstate is added there, and it's literally just that simple. When we click on it, right, to join a meeting, it has a link, it has the credentials. That is it.